This video will improve your performance immediately and help you double your tip. So don't miss it, learn and implement. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Grand Victoria. My name is Ned. I will be your waiter today. How is your evening so far? Full stop. A lot of waiters make the big mistake just to keep talking and explaining, and they want everything at the same time. Nothing like that. We are making money by listening to our clients, to our guests. And that's exactly what you gotta do. You introduce yourself, welcome the guest, give them open-ended question and let them talk. And pick up the clues, because that will set up the whole evening for you, how this guest will be served from this point on. Well, just arrived. It was a long trip, little tired, but I'm here now, I'm happy, and I'm ready to have some fun. The guest just gave you everything you need to hear. First of all, he has a long trip, probably he's hungry, thirsty, but the most important, he is ready to have some fun. He likes communication because he was explaining all those details, and now it's your time to adjust your service, and from this moment on, everything has to be entertaining, enjoying themselves, having fun. That is your attitude from here on. Long trips are exhausting. Now it's up to us to make sure that you enjoy your stay with us. I assume you're thirsty. May I offer you some Prosecco? We have Moët Chandon by a glass and a world-class barkeeper that will prepare any cocktail you would like to test today. Did you see what I just did? I acknowledged the situation. I gave him reassurance that we will take care of him. We're gonna make sure that he enjoys the stay, and I offer them the first thing that they probably need, some refreshments. No selling, no pushing, no extra movements and talk. Professional hospitality. When the guests make their choice, let's say they choose Moët Chandon, champagne, make sure to praise the choice. Excellent choice, sir. Thank you very much. While the barkeeper prepares the drink, may I introduce the menu and the specials of the day? Tonight, the chef recommends seafood risotto with saffron. It's one of the most popular dishes in our restaurant and our regular guest favorite. All right? Now, give them time, let them make the choice. You go get the drink, bring the drink, serve it, take the food order, and continue. And make sure that you match the energy and the positivity that this guest gives you. But now, let's see how you are going to react to a different type of guest. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Grand Victoria. My name is Ned. I will be your waiter today. How is your evening so far? Everything is fine. Now we have a completely different type of guest. He's not very talkative. He's not in a good mood, obviously, and he most probably wants to be left alone. Now, there are two big mistakes waiters usually make. You just continue with the normal, positive, blah, 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 energy, explanations, and make this guest really pissed. Or the second mistake is you just decided, hey, I have a prick on table 5 and never come back to this table again, and you just disregard all the steps, all the service procedures, which again will really upset the guest. No. When we have a guest that is not communicating, hey, I'm open to talk, I'm open to entertainment. No, he wants his space. He's a serious guy. You just let them know that you understand. Yes, sir, I understand. Let me produce for you the menu. Would you like to hear the special of the day? All right. So the communication has to be very, very quick and short, but we still have to implement all the steps, and we do not ignore the guest. Okay? If he says that he wants to hear the specials, you give them the specials. The next thing is you get the drink, you take the food order, you make the 2 minutes, 2 bites, check. Every step is still performed, but with utmost respect and distance from the guests if they just continue to do this way. Now, it's quite possible that the guest comes in the restaurant in a bad mood. Something happened on reception or something happened in his life and he's in a bad mood. And he doesn't want to react and talk and be entertained. But in the middle of the evening, he sees that you're doing a great job and he warms up and start giving you signs like talking a little bit more, asking questions. Then, of course, you have to also adjust and be more talkative and be more personal and more entertaining. All right? This is all it takes, guys, to really do a great service, personalized service to every different table, every different guest, make them happy and make more money. That's it. Hey guys, we started the Hospitality Career Accelerator at the Waiters Academy to help everyone who wants to have international career and is having difficulties landing a good job, because lately we are working with a lot of agencies and a lot of companies that complain about the quality of the waiters. And I know that actually the quality of the waiters is not so bad. What bad is the presentation, how you present yourself. So if you enter the Hospitality Career Accelerator, first we're going to create a beautiful CV of you that every HR will appreciate. You have access, of course, to all the trainings, certificates, everything that we do for our students. You enter the mentorship program personally with me. We give you guidance, how to proceed with your career. We help you with the interviews, how to prepare for the interviews, and many, many more things that will really accelerate your career. And of course, we present you and feature you on all our social medias, and you will be the first person that gets information about a job that is fit for you. And that's how you're gonna be successful in your future in hospitality. So check it out. If you like it, sign up. Limited availabilities, of course, only 20 people each month, because you're working directly with me and I just don't have time to work with many more than that. And I'm welcome you. If you are willing to increase your chances of landing a top job and make that happen much faster than usual, come to the accelerator and we're gonna work together to make sure this happens. Peace.